Welcome back to Wise Explainer, the channel where we help you make smarter decisions for your online business. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our expert reviews. And just a quick reminder, all the links to the platforms mentioned today are in the description below. Now, let's dive into our honest review of Modalyst for dropshipping. Modalyst has gained a reputation as a top dropshipping platform, particularly for those looking to offer high-quality, unique products. But is it the right tool for your business? Let's start with the pros. One of Modalyst's biggest strengths is its diverse product range. Unlike many other dropshipping platforms that focus on generic, mass-produced items, Modalyst offers access to independent brands and eco-friendly products, making it easier to curate a store with distinctive, high-quality items. This is especially beneficial if you're aiming to stand out in a crowded market. Another major advantage is that Modalyst partners with US-based suppliers through its marketplace and offers a private label program, allowing you to sell custom-branded products, which can be a game-changer for building a unique brand identity. Additionally, Modalyst integrates smoothly with Shopify, Wix, and BigCommerce, allowing you to add products to your store with just a few clicks and keep your inventory synced in real time. However, there are some cons to consider. The first drawback is that product prices on Modalyst can be higher than those on platforms like AliExpress, especially if you're sourcing from independent brands or US suppliers. This could lead to lower profit margins unless you position your store as a premium offering. Another potential downside is that while Modalyst does offer a free plan, it comes with limitations, such as a cap on the number of products you can add to your store. To access the full range of features and unlimited products, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans, which might be a bit pricey for beginners. Additionally, while Modalyst excels in offering unique and branded products, the platform's product selection might not be as extensive as what you'd find on other dropshipping platforms that source primarily from Asia. This could be a limitation if you're looking for a wide variety of products across different categories. Lastly, Modalyst's focus on higher-end, niche products means that it might not be the best fit if your target market is more price-sensitive. So who should use Modalyst? Modalyst is an excellent choice for dropshippers who want to differentiate their store with unique, high-quality products, particularly those from independent brands or US-based suppliers. It's particularly well-suited for those who are looking to create a premium brand or sell eco-friendly, ethically sourced products. If you're aiming to build a distinctive brand and are willing to invest in higher-cost products, Modalyst could be a perfect fit. However, if you're on a tight budget or need a vast selection of lower-cost items, you might want to explore other options that better align with those needs. In summary, Modalyst is a powerful tool for dropshippers looking to offer unique, branded products with a focus on quality. It's ideal for those who want to stand out in the market with premium or eco-friendly items and are ready to invest in building a strong brand presence. If Modalyst sounds like a good fit for your business, check out the links in the description below to get started. Thanks for tuning in to Wise Explainer. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.